What's going on, everybody? It's Royalty Crypto here, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to make a quick video for you guys this morning because Bitcoin and crypto is having an amazing start to the day, and I wanted to talk about why I believe this is the case. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently trading just under $91,000 again, which is up almost 8% from yesterday, as we did hit as low as 84,000. Ethereum is also back above 3,000, and basically every top altcoin is up over 10% in the past 24 hours. Now, I believe that there is three reasons why this is taking place. The first one, guys, is Vanguard, after about a year and a half of ETF trading, has officially allowed their clients to access Bitcoin ETFs. Now, Vanguard has over $11 trillion in assets under management, so this is a massive deal. Even if just 1 to 2% of these assets end up being allocated towards Bitcoin, that will help the price of this asset tremendously because it's just more buying pressure that we didn't previously have. Also, guys, Trump is making a big announcement later today at 2 p.m. Eastern. In my opinion, this announcement will likely be the Fed chair replacement coming up in May of 2026. The reason why this is so bullish is because it's very likely that this replacement will be Kevin Hassett. And Kevin Hassett is basically the most dovish selection that he could possibly make for a Fed chair. When I say dovish, it means that he will be willing to cut rates at a very rapid pace and most likely start quantitative easing immediately if it isn't already started before then. I believe that this catalyst could end up being as significant as the Trump election catalyst, and this could really start the parabolic bull run for not just Bitcoin, but also altcoins. All right, guys, another reason why I believe Bitcoin is having a fantastic day is because the Federal Reserve officially ended quantitative tightening yesterday. Although this is incredibly important for risk on assets, this was most likely already priced in, so I don't think that this is necessarily the reason why we're pumping this morning. However, this is a very bullish catalyst for the medium term for risk on assets like Bitcoin because it finally lifts the Federal Reserve's restriction on liquidity entering the market. And hopefully, guys, we will hear about some news of potentially starting QE early next year. All right, guys, last but not least, but I found this very interesting as well. Now, this might not sound significant because a lot of us have like well over 50% of our net worth in crypto, but nonetheless, guys, most people, especially financial advisors who might see this, would be absolutely blown away by this because typically in finance, they don't recommend that you put more than 2% of your portfolio into a certain risk on asset. And up until just a few years ago, people were not recommending this whatsoever. So this is undoubtedly a step in the right direction for crypto adoption for institutional finance like Bank of America. And it really does seem like there is a switch that's starting to be flipped. So I don't know, guys, what do you think? Do you think that Bitcoin is about to start its next leg up? It kind of feels like it to me. I mean, like seeing all these things happen back to back this morning just really seems like institutions are ready to drive the price of Bitcoin up. But all right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I will be making another video later, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and I will talk to you then. Peace.